The other day I had a subscriber who said to me, can you please let the customers know, so this is aimed at the customers really, that you don't get air conditioning on X in the car. And I thought, well, fair enough, if that's what the situation, that's what the situation is. But on the flip side, I'm like, come on mate, you yourself probably put some air conditioning for yourself. You don't want to sit there in your own sweat for the next 8-10 hours, however long you're going to be driving. So my question to you guys is, do you put on the AC all day? Do you only put on the AC when you're in the car and turn it off when the customer's getting in? Which doesn't make sense to me. What's your situation when it comes to your behaviour when it comes to the AC rule? I have it on. I'm not a fan of the AC because it's all dirty, but I found since I've had this BYD, I don't have that problem. So I'm constantly have it on, basically. Not ridiculously cold, but you can tell the difference between getting in and out. And personally, like I said, I don't want to be all sweaty and have customers coming near me if I'm uncomfortable. And if there's some customers are really sweaty and unhygienic, they're not friends with soap and water, so air conditioning reduces their smell. If I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna be honest on that. But that's my thought. I'm interested to hear your thoughts on this matter.